rob you too.
Hello, this is Jared. I totally won't tell my email address because you might rob me. Look at him.
No! No!
He's young YouTuber.
No, he is!
This is young YouTuber Blue Lightning Power.